I'll show you how to measure IGBT. It is FP10R12YT3 model IGBT. I will measure this IGBT. It is okay or not. This rectifier diode. Here total 6 diode. Probe with P and red probe will hold L1, L2, L3 one by one. I'll check. Here 3 threshold voltage show L2, L3, L1, L2, L3. That means these are diode. 3 diode is okay. Now I'll check this diode. Now meter red probe hold with N terminal and black probe with L1, L2, L3 one by one. N terminal with N terminal red probe. N is common. Now L1, L1, L2, L3, L1. No threshold voltage is shown. L1, L2 open, short, L3 short. That means these are 3 diode is damaged. Here total 6 gate. I'll check one by one. Now I'll check G1. We'll select 10K. Here P1 is common for this gate, and this gate. P1 terminal is this black probe, common probe. That means P1, U with G1, V with G3, W with G5. First G1 gate. Okay. G1 is okay. Found G3 is okay. Now I'll check G5. G5 and this is W. Red probe with W, anode terminal and common terminal with G5. Okay, this gate is okay. Common probe with U and red probe with EU. Check this gate. This gate is okay. G2 gate is okay. Now I check G4. Black probe with V. Red probe EV. Here EV 4 number terminals from here 1, 2, 3, 4. G4 gate is okay. check G6 gate, black common probe with W. Here W is here, W. Okay, common probe with W, and red probe EW. EW this terminal, red probe, and G6 this terminal is G6. This value is okay. So this gate G6 is okay. We found 6 gate is okay. This diode is damaged. This IGBT is faulty. We cannot use this IGBT in BFD inverter. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.